Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Razer Barracuda X and fix not pairing issues in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with the basic reset. In it, you need to turn off your headset and then press and hold the power button on it. So you need to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This particular step clears the temporary bugs and also refreshes the system. Once you are done, you just have to try pairing it again. If after doing this step the issue still continues, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to simply reconnect it using wireless dongle. So you need to plug the USB wireless dongle into your device, then turn on the headset and wait for it to connect automatically. If it doesn't connect, simply unplug the dongle, wait for a few seconds and then plug it back in. This particular step also resets the wireless connection between the headset and the device. If you are using Bluetooth, simply go into your device settings, remove the headset from the saved devices, then again press and hold the power button on the headset until the LED starts blinking. Afterwards, simply reconnect it again from your device, and this ensures a clean pairing without any kind of conflicts. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.